Meet Mr. Martin, owner of a reputed industry. Last week, he noticed some strange noises coming from his industrial steam boilers. He became so worried and decided to hire a maintenance service. Mr. Martin searched online for a top boiler service provider and found O'Brien Boiler Services Proprietary Ltd. Quickly, he called them and booked a service. On the following day, their experts came, checked the boilers and conducted necessary maintenance. Mr. Martin was so satisfied with their top-notch services. So, like him, do you also need a steam boiler maintenance service? Get in touch with O'Brien Boiler Services Proprietary Ltd. today. Call 1-300-771759 or go to o'brienenergy.com.au for more details.